Okay. Front brakes, air hose, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, no leaks, hoses in good connection, no rubbing, no snagging. Brake chamber, security mountain, any damage, no cracks, no welds, no leaks. Tight clamps, no missing bolts and no missing nuts. Push rod here. Push rod, security mountain, no damage, no bend or broken, no missing pin. Slack adjuster, security mountain, any damage, no missing parts, no missing pins. To check the slack adjuster, spark the truck and level run, choke the wheels, release the brake, and pull the slack adjuster is less than 1 inch plate will connect to the push rod. Okay, now inside here, I don't know if you can see here. I can see it's clarito. See, let me. Can you see over here? I don't know. You can see that with my finger. See that?
Yeah.
See, okay, this is the brake drums. Brake drum, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, no welds, no grease or oil. Brake shoes that's inside, this one. Brake shoes, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, good thickness, minimum 1/4 inch thickness, and no oil or grease. Rims and tires. Rims, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, no welds, no dents. Valve stem, security mountain, no damage, no leaks, caps on. Lug nuts, no rust around the lug nuts, no missing or loosened nuts. Axle hub is good level, security mountain, no leaks, no missing bolts and nuts. Tires, sorry, no recaps in front. 432 deep, good even wear. Proper inflator, check with the gauge stars only. No cuts, no bulges, no fabric showing, same size and same type. If they ask you how much pressure you put in the tires, it's between 100 and 110 psi.
100 and 110.
Or you can see here for the tires, but I will say 110 psi. Any question? Okay, now we go for the driver's side over here. Okay, we started for the. Let me pull up the film. Driver's side. I go for the window. Window, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, clean, open and closed properly. Good gasket. The gasket, no cuts, no frays, no leaks. Okay. Mirror, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, clean and well adjustment. The brackets, security mountain, no damage, no missing bolts and nuts, working properly. Door, security mountain, any damage, no cracks, open and close proper. Good gasket, the gasket, no cuts, no frays, no leaks. The door hinges, security mountain, any damage, no cracks, no welds, no missing bolts and nuts, and no missing pins, working properly. Size marking, security is yellow or amber color, security mountain, no damage, clean, working properly, no missing bolts and nuts. Batteries, okay, batteries. Is security mountain, any damage, no cracks, no leaks, clean terminals, wires and good connections, the wires no rubbing, no snagging. Remember, no leaks is important, okay. And good cover. Okay, under the batteries, they have the air tanks. You can see over here, see over the air tanks over there?
Oh, okay.
Or if you want, you can see maybe here. Whatever make it easy for you. Under the batteries.
Oh, okay. That? Yeah, the air tank is right in the back. Okay.
There you go. Well, air tanks, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, no welds, no leaks. The drain valve working properly. The drain valve is a cable over here.
Okay. Oh, okay.
You only have to.
I gotta pull it.
You want to pull it? It's over here.
Okay. Do I have to put it to the test?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
The dream valve working properly, and they have a hoses on there.
Okay.
Only has hoses in good conditions, tight clamps, no rubbing, no snagging, no leaks.
Okay.
The only way you can see you had to be on the plan of things, but you had to say steps, security mountain, any damage, clean and good traction, and no debris or no objects too.
Okay.
Okay? Any questions?
No.
Okay, now we go here for the tractor rear. We go on top. Tractor rear window, security mountain, any damage, no cracks, clean, good gasket, the gasket, no cuts, no frays, no leaks. The hoses over here, the air hose, security mountain, no damage, no leaks, hoses in good connections, supposed to be no rubbing, enough slack for tons. Clamp hands, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, no welds, working properly, and they have a robust seal. You can see here, or the gasket, good gasket, the gasket no cuts, no frays, no leaks. Power core, security mountain, no damage, good connection, good insulation, no rubbing, enough slack for tons. Down. Fuel tank, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, no welds, no leaks. Good insulation between the strap and tank. Cap on, good gasket. The gasket, no cuts, no frays, no leaks. Fuel line, security mountain, no leaks, no rubbing, no snagging. Drag shaft and U-joint. Drag shaft, U-joint.
Okay.
Security mountain, no damage, no cracks, no welds, no missing bolts and nuts, good grease, and no debris or no objects.
Okay.
Okay? Now we have to go the other side. The examiner will go with you all the time. Exhaust system. Security mountain, no damage, there's no holes, no leaks. Not touching fuel lines or wires. Tight clamps, no missing bolts and nuts. Exhaust system bracket, security mountain, no damage, no cracks, no welds, no missing bolts and nuts. Okay, but you have to come over here. Now we go the other side. You want to turn it off? Turn it off a little bit.